Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here in this video we will talk about this amazingly beautiful food review application, right? And this is how its front end looks like. So we will first take a look of how it functions, right? All the functionalities and what all things can we do on this application. And later on in this video, I will share a bit of code which has been used for creating and developing this video. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial and check out the functionalities of the application. So as you can see, this is the home page, the landing page of the application. And if I click on all cuisines, so it shows me some options. I want to go with Japanese. Let's see what's going to happen. So it will filter out all the options and only show me the Japanese dishes we have in the backend. Okay, similarly, if I want to see vegetarian dishes, right? So as you can see on the top, the banner has changed, right? The dishes have also changed. So I can see only the vegetarian dishes now. Similarly, if I want to see the Malaysian dishes, right? So this is, it's a very beautiful thing, and you guys also must be enjoying this. So this is how the filter over here works. Now I would like to log in into the application and show you some more things. So let's do it. I've already created a super user. Okay, this is how the login page looks like. We can scroll down and up, and let's come on ready and see what's going to happen. So I have successfully logged in to the application. Now I can again see some dishes over here. Right now, I would like to add a review for one of the dishes. Okay, let's add a review for this vegan burger. We already have 5 reviews, right? If you have noticed. Now on the top, we can see the number of reviews. We can see the location, right? And it's a vegetarian dish. And here I would like to just like it. So as you can see, the number of likes have increased by 1. And here I would like to add a review. So it's a delicious dish. Fine, let's hit the enter button. So I've successfully added a review, right, for this. And what else can we do on this application? Let's check it out. So we have a button over here which says add a review. If I click here, it has redirected me to this beautiful page where we have uh, on the top your overall rating of the restaurant. So let's rate it 4 out of 5 for now. How expensive is this restaurant? So it's not that expensive, so let's choose the middle option, title for your review. Okay, amazing food, your review. In this restaurant one gets a variety of food with high quality. Okay, so this is my review and let me submit it. Okay, so I've successfully added my review, and as you can see, my review is getting reflected right on the top. Right, I would like to like my review also. I would like to like his review. So, these things also can be done. If, this is the comment which I added for this particular review. I in the beginning I said it's the review which I'm adding, but not. It's the comment which I added for this one. Similarly, I can add comments for different reviews people have given for this food, right? And let me just check the top. So as you can see, the reviews, number of reviews have increased from 5 to 6. Okay, let's go back, and here it's vegetarian. Okay, so here also, the number of reviews have changed from 5 to 6. Same thing I can do with other foods also, right? I can add comments to different reviews. I can like the reviews people have given, right? See, the number will automatically increase here. Right, same thing I can do with this food. So add a review. Also, I can give a 5 star. Then, I can select this option and then I can add a review, right, for this food. So this is how this application works. Now let me show you the code that has been used for creating this application. Okay, so if you see on the top, we have this, you know, project with name food reviews. Right, this is the settings.py file. Okay, so it's a very basic Django application that has been created for, you know, food review. And we are using, as I've told you, we are using simple HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. So this is a template on which the people gets to see the details of each food. Fine. Then let me show you the functions actually, because that is something which is uh, required. So these are the functions, right? Reviewed, then add for adding the comment. This is the one. So what happens is when we add something, automatically it goes to the backend. Right, it comes over here and this is where you can see the categories, right? The comments. See, the comment which I just added, it's a delicious dish, it's great food, so I can see it over here. Number of likes are coming from here. So Gaurav has liked 1 2 3 4 5 6 dishes, right? Then replies to the comments. If you have replied to any comment, that's what will be showed to you over here. Restaurants will be visible to you here, and then we have this reviews named table. So what is happening, we are not pulling the details from any API. It's just that we are storing the data in the tables of SQLite tree, and we are just pulling it from the tables and showing it to the user over here on this amazingly beautiful front end. Okay, so this is how this application has been developed, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one a lot. Keep sharing my videos, keep liking them so that I can reach to the maximum students possible. And if you also want to develop applications like this, feel free to contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screens. Definitely, you are going to take away a lot of things from my coding classes, and if you want to, if you want my help in getting an application developed, or you want me to develop an application for your business or for anything, right? So you can contact me on this number. Definitely, I'm going to help you guys. Thank you very much for checking out this video. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day, guys.